Hi, this video is recorded for Google X Kaggle Endless Web Coding Capstone project and it is under Agents for Business. So Casino House manage hundreds of high value guests and every day they're making judgment calls. Whom do I call? What do I offer? Is it worth it? Right now everything happens in spreadsheets and gut instinct. Guest lapse because no one noticed their visit seat shifted, or offers missed because the host forgot what this specific guest actually responds to, and comp just leak because no one modeled the a return before committing. So this AI agent is uh, built to address all the issues. So this is the solution or architecture. This is a multi-agent system built with Google CDK and Model Context Protocol server. Four sub-agents run in sequence. A data agent features guest profile and behavioral history, and a propensity agent scores the likelihood of returning. And an offer agent builds the comp package within the guardrails, and an outreach agent recommends exactly how and when to reach out. And all of these data access go through MCP server with 6 tools, and every single one enforces host level access control, and a host can only see their own guest. On top of that sits a Gemini layer, and that does something most rule-based systems can't. It actually understands natural language, and when a host types a request to change an offer, Gemini reads it against the BL catalog and the guest history and returns a structured plan, and a separate deterministic engine executes that plan against real prices, and the model never invents a real figure, it only decides what should change. The whole thing is deployed on Hugging Faces, and this is the overall structure of the app. We have agents and data and then app. Let's go through the demo. So I have this demo accounts here. Let's say I log in as this guest, and I'm using Gemini 3.5 3.1 flashlight for this demo. You can switch between models. Once I log in, I can go to the dashboard and see all the metrics and all my guests. You can see that Derek is lapsed and they have no offer loaded. So I can go here and then select Derek and then run analysis. It will go to their past history and generate an offer based on their preferences and everything. So it gave me this offer: room, F&B, and gaming, the total cost, and it also has all this explanation why it gave certain amount to this guest. Let's say I want to reduce F&B and apply changes. It will generate a new offer. Okay, see, this generated a new offer with reduced F&B, and it says within guardrails and gives me an experience probability and ROI on this offer. If the offer is uh, a- above an applicable cap, if it is about 20%, it can send a request for the supervisor for approval. So I'm okay with the offer. Let's go to outreach, and I'll select the guest, and let's say I want to communicate with email, and I can give it a prompt to generate a text. It will give me an email offer, and an email with all the offer components and the subjects, and I can just click uh, load to offer account. It says offer loaded. Now let's go to my guest, refresh. You can see that, and now an offer is loaded to the guest, and I can go to this AI host chat for this guest. Let's say what's the last offer loaded to this guest. It will give me a response based on all the activities so far. I can also do interaction with the host using my entire portfolio. And if let's say I submit an approval for supervisor here, and I can log in as a supervisor and go to my approval and then approve it. So Yeah. This is the entire project and demo. It has all the security features built in and everything. You can go through the files to understand better. Uh, Thank you.